Lesson 3. Time and its application. You have already learnt in the previous class how to read time. Let's recall. Time is read in AM and PM. AM stands for ante-meridiem. PM stands for post-meridiem. For all the timings after 12 o'clock, midnight, AM is used. For all the timings after 12 o'clock, noon, PM is used. The hour hand of the clock goes twice round the clock in 24 hours or one day. The word clock comes from the French word cloche, which means bell. Time in seconds. Most of the clocks and watches have a very thin long hand moving faster than the minute hand. This is the second hand. It takes 1 minute to go round the clock face once. The time taken by the second hand to move from one small division to another is called a second. Thus, 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. Second is the smallest unit of time. As we know that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So, 1 hour is equal 60 into 60 seconds equal to 300 seconds, converting units of time. Recall the following relationships among various units of measure of time. 1 year 365 by 366 days. 1 year 52 weeks. 1 year 12 months. 1 month 30 days. 1 month 4 weeks. 1 week 7 days. 1 day 24 hours. 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds. With the help of the relationship given above, we would be able to convert one unit into another unit, converting higher units into lower units. Look at these examples. Example 1. Convert into minutes. A. 7 hours. B. 5 hours 36 minutes. Solution. A. 7 hours 760 minutes. Q1 hour 60 minutes. 420 minutes. B. 5 hours 36 minutes is equal 5 multiply by 60 minutes plus 36 minutes. 300 minutes plus 30 minutes. 336 minutes. Example 2. Convert into seconds. A. 4 minutes. B. 15 minutes 25 seconds. Solution. A. 4 minutes 460 seconds. Q1 minute 60 seconds. 240 seconds. B. 15 minutes 25 seconds equal to 15 multiply by 16 seconds plus 25 seconds is equal to 900 seconds plus 25 seconds is equal to 925 seconds. Converting lower units into higher units. Look at these examples. Example 8. Convert as directed. A. 300 seconds into minutes. B. 480 minutes into hours. Solution. A. 300 seconds is equal to 300 divided by 60 minutes. Since 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute is equal to 5 minutes, so 1 second is equal to 1 divided by 60 minutes. B. 480 minutes. 480 60 hours. Since 60 minutes 1 hour is equal to 8 hours, so 1 minute is equal to 1 divided by 60 hours. Addition. To add measures of time, we add hours to hours, minutes to minutes, seconds to seconds, years to years, months to months, days to days, etc. Example 1. Add 7 hours 40 minutes and 5 hours 35 minutes. Solution. Hours minutes. 7. 40. Plus 5. 35. 12. 75. Since 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so we regroup 75 minutes as 1 hour 15 minutes. So, 12 hours 75 minutes is equal to 13 hours 15 minutes. Subtraction. Like addition of measures of time to find the difference of measures of time, we subtract hours from hours, minutes from minutes, seconds from seconds, years from years, etc. Example 1. Subtract 16 minutes 40 seconds from 25 minutes 35 seconds. Solution: minutes seconds. 24:95. 25:35. Minus 16, 48, 55. Thus, difference is 8 minutes 55 seconds. Hint: since 35 seconds less than 40 seconds, so we take away 1 minute from 25 minutes, leaving behind 24 minutes. Now, 25 minutes 35 seconds is equal to 24 minutes 95 seconds.